Hope you people got an idea of the capabilities of BI visualization tools. Now let's move to the next topic, end users. So here we will be discussing about the standard structure of QlikSense applications and the different users of it. So it is not necessary to maintain this structure. This structure would change according to the customer requirements also. But it is still very important to have an idea of it. So in QlikSense we actually follows DAR structure, that is dashboard, analysis and reports. The dashboard is designed for the higher level management. It is a kind of bird's view on the data or a higher level view on the data. And next level is analysis. Analysis is basically designed for the middle level management who performs a lot of aggregations on the data. And the final layer is reports. This is actually designed for the lower level management. This is actually a record by record view for the view of the data. Let me show you this with an example. So I have a QlikSense application designed by DAR structure, that is dashboard, and there are two analysis tabs and there is one reporting tabs. So if you see in dashboard, here only very critical KPIs and matrices, critical KPIs or scorecards will be showcased. So there won't be much charts here. So whatever charts are we are including here will be very high level and it will be very critical for the business. And if you go to analysis tab, you will find many multiple charts, you will find multiple varieties of charts, multiple aggregations, all those things, time series trends, all those things you will be finding in analysis tab. So if you see here in these two analysis tab, there are many charts for analyzing the data. Here also there are many types of charts for analyzing the data. So these analysis tab is basically used for the middle level management who deep down into the data and find some insights out of it and improving their operations. And the third structure is coming reporting. So in reporting tab, we'll be giving record by record transaction. This tab will be basically used by the lower level management like team leads or engineers. So here they must be able to see all the features of the records, whatever operation we are running, its record by transactions will be given here. So this is the basic example for a DAR structure dashboard. So it is, as I told you, it is not necessary to maintain this structure, but if you are maintaining it, it is a very good advantage for the application. The clarity on the application will increase. That's all about end users. Now let's move to the next page, that is top BI tools. So here I have listed out some widely used most popular BI visualization tools. I'll not be explaining about any of these tools in the entire tutorial apart from QlikSense. So you people just can keep it as a reference and check online on these tools. So I have used most of these tools and QlikSense is my favorite always just because of the ETL capabilities and customization features. So you guys can just keep this list as a reference and check online and get to know the unique features of each and every tools. So so what is next? So next video onwards, we'll be totally getting into QlikSense, and we'll start with the installation of QlikSense in next tutorials. Till then, bye bye. See you guys. So thank you all for the time.